Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can rate dress to impress contestants and like how you can pose once it's done. My model looks like really bad right now because I just did this for another tutorial as well. The theme is celebrity and sometimes they like type in the name of the celebrity here and you can rate them by pressing 1 to 5 stars. I'll just give them 5 stars for this one. And I'll show you in a few when my model comes out, but it does take a few minutes. I really like this one, so I'll just rate it 5 stars again, and I'll be right back when my model is done and it shows you the like name, I guess. Lana Del Rey. Okay, actually that was pretty accurate, except for the face. I'm guessing Ariana, Nicki Minaj, I don't know. But I'll give it 4 or 3 stars because it's protruding out of her jeans. I don't like when shoes do that, but I'm not gonna get a lot of points. Okay, here, as you can see, the model's out. I'm just going to select the pose here, and I'm going to select the one that I want to choose. And as you can see, it did a pose. And you're going to select on it again so that you can walk off the runway. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching.